Hello, I'm Jack Waters and this is my geography field trip to Sandringham Beach. Erosional landforms. Erosional landforms are big chunks of land that have broken off from the main land, but they went through multiple situations to become separate from the mainland. The first effect is big deconstructive waves will hit the mainland, causing faulty cracks. Then when more waves hit the cracks, will turn into small caves. Over time it will turn into a bigger cave. The waves will keep hitting the cave, turning it into an arch, which means the waves can go in between it, causing it to weaken the rocks holding the arch, collapsing the arch, leaving a stack. Over time the stack may collapse, making a stump, the last stage. One way to identify an erosional landform is to look for large rocks just sticking out of the water. These are erosional landforms. They have been destroyed by deconstructive waves. Depositional landforms. Depositional landforms are mainly areas of land that have been created by constructive waves, with big swashes pushing sand up onto the shore that was pulled off a different part of the beach. For example, waves will come on an angle and then pull sand straight back out, and keep doing that until it goes into a river to create a lagoon, or hits a groin to keep houses that are near the edge of the beach from collapsing. A way of identifying a depositional landform is by looking for a lagoon or bigger piles of sand on a different part of the beach. Human impacts. Not good. Human impacts pollute water. On beaches there are a lot of footprint, dog prints, tyre tracks, pathways, bins and rubbish. These are all human impacts. Human impacts are things on beaches that weren't originally there. Human impacts are never really good because most of them damage the beach, like rubbish polluting the water or pathways taking up room of the beach and drains pushing out polluted water. These pictures are human impacts. Tyre tracks imprinting the sand, footpaths stopping people from falling down the sides of the beach but also taking up room of the beach, telling to not let dog droppings be left there, that is a problem, stopping rubbish from hitting the water, that is one of the good human impacts. Natural impacts. Natural impacts are things that happen on a beach naturally. For example, would be if waves bring in seaweed from the ocean and even move big boulders underwater. Natural impacts include sand changes, bringing in seaweed. Also, it brings in rocks to the edge of the shore and changes the tide. Not all impacts on a beach are natural. Some are human. Natural impacts can also make a beach bad. For example, natural impacts could bring in sharp rocks onto the shore and make it hard to get into the water, as you can see in the left photo. Coastal management. Over years, the beach can change significantly. Sand moves to other sides of the beach, erosional landforms and depositional landforms appear, so councils do a lot of things to stop them from happening. Like they would build groins, and they would stop sand from leaving and going somewhere else on the beach. Also, seawalls to stop big waves from destroying more land, but these coastal managements could affect other parts of the beach that we do not know. This is a bird's eye view of the beach that we went to, Sandringham Beach. Thanks for watching.